talk about the display first. I have been loving the Infinity Quad HD display of the S9 Plus, and I hope that you will love this display also. There is no display burning or Bluetooth issue. With Corning Gorilla Glass 5 in both front and back of the S9 Plus, but you will find some minor scratches on the front glasses. I have found some, but I can't show you in camera because they are so minor and so small that it can be shown in camera. But the aluminum frame has no spot at all, and I haven't found any scratch on the aluminum frame of S9 Plus. Found the fingerprint to be little bit uneasier than the other fingerprints in the market, but you will find a mini scratch. As you can see, this is a major scratch, I would like to say, between the camera and the fingerprint sensor on the metal part of this divider. And the IP68 rating has been awesome. There was no issue regarding the IP68. Version of S9 Plus has the Exynos 9810 with 664 GB version, and I haven't found any hang or lag on this S9 Plus. And as you can see, I have been playing the Asphalt 9 on the S9 Plus, and there was no frame drop or there was no issue in this S9 Plus. But I think that there is a slightly 5 to 10% of performance lagging compared to the first day of this device. In the history of smartphones, Samsung has introduced dual aperture camera in a smartphone in the S9 Plus, and the result is just pretty amazing. You will find them super slow motion in 960 frames per second, which is awesome, and in good lighting it will be great. But in also the low light, you can see some examples here of the super slow motion, and this is incredible. 4K 60 frames per second has not the image stabilization option, but the 1080p has got that, and this video was shot in to show you the stabilization in 1080p 60 frames per second. The portraits have been really great. There was no issue in the cutout, but I just like the software function of this S9 Plus, that you can manage or you can adjust the background blur of your picture after taking that, and you can also see one picture. That means you are clicking one picture but you can see two pictures, just like and close-up portrait, or other is the wide angle pictures. When it comes to the selfie portraits of the S9 Plus, this is nowhere near to the Pixel 2 XL, but you will find some pretty good selfie focus on your front. Things get changed when it comes to the low light photography. The 1.8 aperture, the variable aperture 1.8 or 2.4, the 1.8 aperture just blows away the low light photography of Pixel 2 XL or any other smartphone in this market. There is literally no noises, or literally the pictures are so sharp, and you will find some details on the pictures in low light also. The colors are punchy, and I have found much details on the low light photographies of S9 Plus. Though it just blows away in the low light photography, it doesn't hold up in the details or dynamic ranges like Pixel 2 XL or the Huawei P20 Pro, but this is definitely in the top 5 camera of the market. Was simply disappointed about the update of the S9 Plus. Running on the 8.0.0, I haven't still got the 8.1 update on my S9 Plus, which is really the worst thing in this phone. But the battery life has been solid. I was getting around 5.5 hours to 6 hours in moderate usage with WQHD resolution. But if you just go like crazy in this thing, and if you go like heavy things, then you might have been noticed that you will get 5 hours of screen on time in this battery.